Hey guys, so welcome back to another Quick Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about some new kind of promotion that Boost Mobile has going on. This is the first promotion of the year, of course, with it only being 12 days into the year. So Boost Mobile did kind of start this plan off, I guess, in a good way. So let's talk to it. But before, let's talk to you guys about our supporters. So first supporter is going to be Honey, of course. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to get more. It will be in the description below. If you want to also make some extra income on the side and want to invest in the stock market, you can. In the description below, you can use that and get a free stock. So check it out. Alright guys, so now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about this promotion that Boost Mobile has going on. So it says unlimited data, talk, and text. $40 a month, that's a $60 savings. It says $60 savings of $40 a month. So it says plus free Samsung Galaxy A21 when you switch and buy 6 months of service. So to get this deal, you have to buy 6 months of service, guys. So that you'll get it at $40 a month, and then plus that will give you an A21. But remember, you have to buy. One, you have to switch over to Boost Mobile, and two, you have to get 6 months worth of service. You have to purchase 6 months of service. So it's kind of like, hey, it's almost like buying bulk. You're about to get a discount on it, and you're going to get it for $40 a month. That's kind of like a bulk buy, which is pretty nice. And of course, you can get this deal like at a store or anything like that. So like I said, you're going to be saving $60 to $60 savings, guys. So it's not bad at all. I mean, like I said, it's $40 a month, and then you'll get 6 months of service. So basically, from what I'm seeing here, you're getting a $10 off discount every month. So instead of being $50 a month, you'll get it for $40 a month, guys. And after 6 months, of course, 10 times 6 is 60. And that's what this deal has. So of course, switching is simple. Like I said, it's free SIM card. Keep your number, no annual service contract on our upgraded network, which is basically T-Mobile. And it says Boost Mobile's. Oh my God, now. Said that like 3 times. New upgraded networks, a stronger signal, faster speeds, more coverage. So pretty cool. So this is actually valid until February 8th, guys. This is while supplies last. New customers only, requires eligible port and activation on eligible plans. Does exclude ports from Sprint related carriers. So if anything that's like Sprint related, you cannot get. Select market/retailers only. BoostMobile.com is excluded, including national retailers like Walmart, Sam's Club, and all that. It says select models only, so no substitutions. It's either you're gonna get this phone or you're not. No cashback, credit, or rating checks. Unlimited plans included. Basically, it's unlimited. It says unlimited plans, unlimited customers who use more than 35 gigs of data. Before, Boost Mobile used to give you unlimited data. Now 35 gigs, guys. After that, you will be reduced to 2G speeds. It used to be unlimited data before, true unlimited, but once they got switched over to T-Mobile's network, and now they're owned by Dish Network. That's kind of what happened there. It says, but your speeds, it's still unlimited. It's just your speeds will be reduced to 2G. Unlimited service are on network only. Includes 50 domestic voice roaming minutes. Blah blah blah. Cannot combine with other offers, payments. Total plan price includes service tax up. Total amount paid. Payment due upon signing up, guys. It says the remaining amount due will be charged within 2 weeks. Payment for additional service due each month in advance to avoid cancellation. It says normal monthly payments required at the end of 6 months. So basically, you will get this deal. That's another thing, guys. Check this out. That's why I know it's kind of boring to read this stuff, but it's good to kind of know what this promotion is talking about. So check this out. It says normal monthly payments required at the end of 6 months. So after the 6 months, guys, yeah, you were paying $40. After that's over, it's back to $50. But in total, you save $60. Like I said, you kind of bought a bulk amount of it. It says a service plan restart will require $50 monthly immediate and will shorten the service period to less than 6 months. Sufficient funds must be added within 60 days or suspend. It says 60 days of suspension or account will expire and account balance will be forfeited. Payment is non-refundable, of course. It says any payments made in excess of $240 are also non-refundable and may be used for future or additional services. Wow. Streaming, of course, is set to 480p, guys. 500 kilobits per second for music, 2 megabits per second for gaming, hotspot, all that good stuff. So 12 gigs of hotspot. So wow, that's a lot to cover, but let's go ahead and talk about more. This is bestmVNO.com, gives you more information on here. And I think this is good how they summarize it. It says, like Cricket Wireless, Boost Mobile also launched its first deal of 2021 today. Boost Mobile feature offer is a deal for $4 unlimited plan bundle with a free Samsung Galaxy A21. So it's not bad, guys. You switch over, you're gonna get a Samsung A21. Like I said, it's not the best phone, it's not the worst phone, but it's an A21. Plus, you're getting service for 6 months for $40 a month. That's savings of $60, which is great. It says, of course, there is some fine print associated with the offer, so let's have it. Like I said, basically, to get the deal, customers must port in Boost Mobile. Like I stated, you must port your number over from any carrier that's not Sprint related. So, you know, like Cricket, Verizon, and all that stuff. And pay for 6 months of service in advance. Like I was saying, you have to buy 6 months of service in advance. That way you can get that savings of $10 off per month. It says those porting from a Sprint MVNO are not eligible for the offer. Sorry, I had a yawn there. But it says after the 6 months of prepaid service ends, customer will pay $40 a month for their plan. Subscribers who need to restart their service will have to pay $50 immediately. Now, this right here says after the 6 months of prepaid service ends, customers will pay $40 a month for their plan. So it's like they will get grandfathered into it. Subscribers who need to restart their service will have to pay the $50 immediately and then will be shortening the service period to less than 6 months. Wow. The 40 unlimited plan is based on Boost Mobile's base unlimited plan, so the cheapest plan, which uses T-Mobile's network and regularly costs $50. So that's what I was talking to you guys about. It says customers interested in this deal should know that Boost Mobile is considered 35 gigs of monthly high-speed data to be unlimited. So like I was telling you guys, 35 gigs is what you're going to get. That's what they consider unlimited. After the threshold is reached, customers will experience speeds at 2G speeds, which is basically unusable. I wouldn't even recommend trying that. And of course, you get free domestic voice roaming. The plan also includes 12 gigs of hotspot. Video streaming is limited to a resolution of 480p, which is standard, so no HD streaming for you. Gaming streams are limited to 2 megabits per second, and music streaming is limited to 500 kilobits per second. Wow. So overall, let me know in the comments below what you think about this deal. Is it worth it? Are you going to get it? Or what's up? So, yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and for more videos coming your way. Thank you.